Knock knock, who's there? Allure. Allure who? Allure, it's me, the Allure Beauty Box for October 2019. Amanda, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for spending a few minutes out of your day hanging out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the Allure Beauty Box, and I actually like this packaging a lot better because I felt the little plastic bags that they used to put some of the products in was a waste. Ow, I just stabbed my neck. I just felt that it was very wasteful because someone like me throw them away. I tried to repurpose them. I never did. I'm gonna be upfront about it. So they are just collecting dust. I didn't have the heart to throw it away because I didn't want to damage the earth even more than we already do as a world. Save the turtles. So I'm loving this packaging a little bit more. I just hope that doesn't mean we get smaller sample sizes in something like this because I would be very upset. I already joke about Allure being on my chopping list of subscription boxes just because I have so many these days. This has to stay good or snip snip, bye bye. So if you're interested in seeing the unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box for October 2019, definitely keep on watching. But before we jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel before you click off this video. I post new videos Monday through Friday of subscription unboxings, beauty hauls, first impressions, eyeshadow palette reviews, and more. In case if you're wondering, I have the ColourPop of Fortune, not the Fortnite, I always want to call it the Fortnite palette. And I topped off my lips with the TARTEIST lip paint in the shade Fly. And for my next trick, the Allure Beauty Box. She has her hand over her eye going, man, these girls' jokes, she needs to stop. She is not going to succeed in comedy. No one's laughing now. Joker reference. Thank you to the ones that got it. I know, I said I was gonna stop, but I just can't stop. That movie really resonated with me, and I'm like obsessed reading about theories and other people's thoughts on the movie. Like, I definitely go through my Reddit rabbit holes at night reading about it. The first step is admitting. The other steps, it's gonna take a while. All right, tissue paper. Oh, fuck. Why, yes, I almost flipped out of my chair. Oh, just for a gift of $20 off for some jewelry that I wouldn't wear. I don't even know the brand, and that sounded really shady and mean, but it doesn't look that cute. If it ain't Alex and Annie or Pandora, I don't want it. This is what the rest of the box looks like. Is this eye drops? Oh my gosh, that commercial! Lumify, Lumify, Lumify. I could actually use some eye drops because you know how your girl always makes jokes. Don't take it the wrong way. I have mentioned blepharitis and I have a mild case of it. Unfortunately, this eye has been a little swollen. All of the debris, crusties, boogers, and my eye is super, super, super dry. I wear contacts, so I probably will have to switch to my glasses, which I'm not looking forward to because I have a stack of palettes to my left. A lot of dedicated palette reviews. ColourPop was supposed to be delivered today. It wasn't. Shout out to USPS for letting me down once again. It doesn't say how much my eye drops are. Okay, whatever. First product I received are the Lumify eye drops. As I mentioned in my Try Beauty Box, we received some waxing strips and a face cleanser, which I thought was a brush cleanser. I actually said it could have gone both ways. I have really dry eyes and they're quite red. No, I don't do drugs or anything. I just have really dry red eyes. Lumify eye drops dramatically reduce redness to help your eyes look whiter and brighter for up to 8 hours. I'm putting this to the test. Like, I can do a wear test of eye drops. But you know what? I just mentioned my eyes a little messed up and my allergies have been out of control. I am excited to see something like this. I'm not surprised because Allure awards a lot of different products, not just makeup or skincare. So I don't even know if this has won an Allure award. It says a sample, but this looks like a standard bottle. So, all right, it sounds like there's stuff in there. It's sterile. There's 0.08 fluid ounces. 2.5 mils, pretty standard for eye drops. I'm gonna see how these work and how often I have to reapply when I have discomfort or the redness strikes back. Will it last 8 hours? Will it last more than 8 hours? The world will never know. Actually, the world might know because I'm sure a lot of people use these eye drops. Next, we have the Model Co. Elites in the shade Granite. This retails for $9. I haven't heard of this brand, and if I have, I just haven't tried it. Oh, it's metallic eyeliner. This is actually a really pretty shade. I actually have something by, what is it called? BIJOU. It was their foiled eyeshadow palette that came out last year. So I'm not gonna use this one since I have one very similar to it. I'm gonna set it aside for a giveaway to unleash your inner goth girl. Take that, James Charles. Oh no. Run to Twitter with a small channel like me dissing you. Boo-hoo. Cry me a river, James. I'm so sorry. What has got into me? Maybe it's because it's almost 11 o'clock at night. Maybe it's because I'm still pumped from Maleficent. I don't know, but my coffee wore off a while ago, and no, I am not tipsy. It's about 50 degrees right now. That's perfect weather for me, so I'm thriving late at night. We have another product by Model Co., and it is the Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. This retails for $13. I have something similar like this by Smashbox, actually, so this will be set aside as well. Plus, I know for me, I would not get use out of this trio because I have so many similar shades like this. It is nice for travel though. It's nice and compact. Next, we have the M61 Power Glow Peel, and we get 3 treatments, and for 10 treatments, it's $30. Roughly, this is about $10, give or take. Give or take. I'm not going to be rounding to like the nearest decimal. That's too much. So I'm going to say that this is worth about $10. This reminds me of the Dennis Gross, or is it Gross? I don't know. However he pronounces his name. He has something very similar to this, and I remember Catherine texting me saying, should I be getting a stinging reaction from it? And I was like, no. I was like, did you leave it on too long? Did you use it every day? And she said, I followed the instructions. I've only used it once. And I said, stop using it. So she gave me her last 2 treatments that she had. I used them 2 days in a row. I did not experience any burning, tingling sensation. I thought I had sensitive skin. I thought I knew people that had sensitive skin. No, she has the most sensitive skin. It's so hard to recommend products for her because he's always asking for help. I'm like, I don't know. I'm trying. I'm not trying to steer you wrong. Kind of want to give her one of these just to see, but I'm afraid. Just because like the Dennis Gross ones were too harsh for her and she really liked it, so maybe we'll have a girls' weekend and try this. Oh, there's 3. Malik can do the other one. There we go. All right. When we do the Renaissance Festival, stay tuned. So this review will go up like December. Vlogmas. I know it's end of October, but better late than never, right? I am so sad about this little tiny jar. What, I can get 1 use out of this? Come on, Sunday Riley. Ooh, there's a lot about Sunday Riley happening right now. Should we touch on that topic? We have the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. The full size retails for $65. I love Sunday Riley skincare, especially the UFO oil, the Luna oil, their spot treatment mask. Allegedly, floating around on the Twitters, Sunday Riley had their employees create fake accounts and leave positive reviews, and that is shady. Shady, 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 shady. Their products are good. Why do you have your employees doing this? It doesn't make any sense to me. Let the product speak for itself. Let the customers. And yes, I know not everyone's gonna have a good experience with all the products. You know why? We all have different body chemistry. I got dry combination skin, mainly dry. Do you think my girl Jackie Naturals is gonna have the same exact experience with some of these products as me? Because she is oily. I don't expect her to. She's gonna go out seek some products that are for oily skin, and me, I am mainly focusing on dry. I might struggle with some because I do have slight combination, especially in my T-zone. That's just where I start having an issue. And that's where brands lose their integrity. And I'm sure there's other brands that do this, which is unfortunate. And I'm sure there's influencers that get paid or do positive reviews about the product so they get sent on the PR list. Nicole Casilio about Kylie Cosmetics. When I first saw the spoiler on Trend Mood's Instagram page, I got really excited because it's supposed to be good for winter, which my face is already taking a beating from the dry air. My mind was like, yeah, we're gonna try this. $65, whatever, you know, let me just rack up some samples at Sephora or something. But here we are. I'm not going to stop using Sunday Riley because I do like the products that I use. And this just feels like a normal cream. It doesn't feel revolutionary or anything. But my hand feels soft compared to this one. Like, there's no scent at all to it, which is nice because a lot of Sunday Riley products smell like garbage. Rotten eggs, licorice, whatever it may be. So I can appreciate it not having a scent. I do and I don't read reviews online. And it's funny because I review products or watch some other videos prior to when I do a video because I don't want anything to influence me. Nothing usually does unless if it's like a eyeshadow palette that I'm kind of eyeing and then there's mixed reviews. That kind of helps me determine things. Like I really wanted the Carly Bible palette by ABH and it had really good reviews and I was like, yeah, maybe I'm going to, and I swatched it in store. That hype went down real quick. I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this jar, and I definitely know it's not a big enough jar for me to get an idea if the cream is working for me, so I probably will have to stock up on some more samples. Next we have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and a full size retails for $45. They have a jumbo size for the holidays. I'm probably not going to get it because I have a normal size and I also have another mini. And also, for a girl that's really dry, I don't like using lotion. I don't know why. This stuff though, amazing. Oh, it's filled to the top. Like, you are not getting gypped. It's like instant moisture. I could bathe in this stuff and be perfectly content. And I love how this smells. Not the coconut one. The coconut one is way too potent for me. I spilled some on me in Sephora and I got a really bad headache throughout the day from it. Super moisturizing. My dry skin loves this stuff. It's just me needing to be more disciplined with lotion. It's like floss. I know I need to floss. It's something very easily to skip. And I know that's not an excuse. I definitely recommend this. I love it so much. The body wash is also super good. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad I ran out of the little small one. I really want a full size one. I really don't want to spend $25, give or take, for a full size one because I have a lot of Bath and Body Works. Yeah, and I have the exfoliator. I'm like, why am I looking at my box lights to gather my thoughts? Haven't used it yet because I got this orange scrubby from Lush. That's my current favorite body exfoliator. I feel like my favorite body exfoliators change the more I try like a new product, but this orange one is so good that I bought another one knowing I had the Sol de Janeiro one. I need to cut back on shopping. I have put myself on a low buy, not a no buy. I can't do it. I really can't do a no buy. I am weak. I'm the weakest link. And we just got an email about BOXYCHARM pop-up coming up in November. I need to strategize. And Black Friday is in November. I'm so effed. And I just bought new SD cards and another battery. I need another job. I need a raise. I need something. And then the last product, we received the Knep Mineral Bath Salt in the scent Dream Away. And a full size retails for $20. Wasn't really expecting bath salts, but they will get used if I actually use my bathtub, because that's something I really want to renovate when I pay off my washer and dryer. I want jets. Like, I want my bath to be something really relaxing. You know, I don't want it just to sit there, kind of just laying there and your boobs are exposed. That ain't a bath. Oh, there's essential oils in there. I have been really stressed, per usual. My anxiety's been through the roof. Thursdays seem to be my breakdown days. I think I just get myself so worked up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday over stuff, and Thursday I just let it out and get a really bad headache with it too. And then by Friday I'm okay. I've mellowed out, I'm chilled, the weekend's good, and then Monday, whoop, there we go again. Maybe Sunday. Sundays are supposed to be my self-care days. I've been really bad with that, to be perfectly honest. Maybe if I document a self-care Sunday video, you know, I can always refer back to it. But hey, bitch, this is what you need to be doing. Remember? What do I think of Allure Beauty Box for October? It's not the greatest, it's not the worst. Allure has been really good about putting at least 1 or 2 full-size items in. I mean, the eye drops are, and I guess the eyeshadow trio and the metallic eyeshadow are full size. I would have liked to see maybe a mascara or a lipstick, a blush, or a bronzer. I wish more subscription boxes would put bronzers in. If any of you subscription boxes are watching, they're probably not. A bronzer would be fantastic. Please and thank you. I don't know, man. October, I feel like it's such a weird month for boxes. Some have been really good, some have been really, Okay, the eye drops and the Bum Bum Cream are the ones I'm like the most excited about. I was excited about Sunday Riley until the whole fake reviews came out. You know what? I think the other thing is it's not as makeup heavy that Allure normally is, which is completely fine. I think I would have liked to have seen better full-sized makeup items to make up for having these like sample deluxe sizes. I think that would have balanced it out a little bit more. I think that's where I'm feeling. I think. Let me know if you guys got a Allure beauty box. What did you guys think of it? Are we having the same feelings? Are we totally off? Was this like the best box in the world? I would love to know your thoughts. Neither one of us are wrong. We are both entitled to our opinion. And are you continuing with Allure for November? I think I'm gonna finish Allure throughout the year and then kind of reevaluate. It's a box that I enjoy, but I don't enjoy. I enjoy it because I feel we get a good variety of products, but I don't enjoy it because it's not all full size. And most of my boxes, it's the ultimate, you get some deluxe sizes, I know. But it's the only box that I get more samples than full-size products, and I really like my full-size products. I want to get the most bang out of my buck is what it boils down to. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.